Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to cancel an order on Redbubble in 2025. Whether you made a mistake, changed your mind, or just need to tweak your purchase, canceling is straightforward if you act fast. Redbubble is awesome for unique designs, but sometimes things don't go as planned, right? Let's get right into it so you can resolve this quickly. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Redbubble account. Head over to the Redbubble website or app and sign in with your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to your account dashboard. It's usually in the top right corner. Next, find your Order History, or My Orders, section. This is where all your past and pending orders are listed. Scroll through until you spot the one you want to cancel. Pro tip: only orders that haven't been shipped yet can typically be canceled, so check the status first. If it's already processing, you might need to contact support instead. Now, click on the specific order to open its details. Look for a Cancel Order button or option. It's often right there on the order page. If you see it, click it and follow the prompts. You'll probably need to confirm your reason for cancellation and agree to any terms. After that, Redbubble will process your request. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message, as they might send one to verify. If everything goes smoothly, your payment should be refunded within a few days, depending on your payment method. One more thing. If the cancel option isn't available, don't panic. Reach out to Redbubble's customer support through their help center or live chat. Provide your order number and explain the situation. They're usually pretty responsive. And there you have it. You've just learned how to cancel an order on Redbubble in 2025. It's all about being quick and checking those details. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.